All right, let's use the filter function to dynamically extract data from a data set. So the first thing we want to do is we want our results when we're searching for downtown in the neighborhood. So go ahead and type equals filter, and then the first thing it wants is the data array. We want to return all of this data minus the headers, so go ahead and select all of your data. Now the second thing it wants is it wants the include. So what we want to do is highlight the data that we want to match to. So for our case, we want to highlight the neighborhood column, and then we're going to do this if it's equal to our G here, our G1 or downtown. So go ahead and do that, and then the last argument is that if this specific return is empty, so we'll say no house is found. And then go ahead and close off your parentheses, and notice how it populates all of the data for downtown from our data set. And just to check this to see if it's dynamically working, go ahead and type in suburbs, and notice how it automatically updates. Last example, let's type in Lakeview, and notice how it just returns the one for Lakeview. So this is a really handy way to dynamically filter through your data sets without copying and pasting your entire data set.